First choose the ADX oscillator. Here the green line is RADX and the blue line is plus D1 and the red line is minus D1. This is how ADX oscillator is shown in the chart. Full form of ADX is average directional movement index. It helps us to find the direction of the trend, whether it is uptrend or downtrend, also helps us find the strength of the trend. Both blue and red line should be far from each other. And the green line should crosses the limit 25. But here the blue line and the red line are not far from each other. In this chart blue and red line are far away from each other but the green line didn't crosses our limit that is 25. If the blue is above the red then it is uptrend and if the blue is below the rest then it is downtrend. Here the blue is above the red therefore it is uptrend. And also the green line crosses 25. So we place next 1 minute up. Here there is a decent gap between blue and red line, and the green line is about to cross our limit point. Let's wait and see. Here the red is above the blue line, so we can know that it is moving in downtrend, and if the next candle becomes green then the green line will surely crosses 25, then we can place the trade for next 1 minute down. Green candle formed, so we can place down now. Here the gap between red and blue was far but the green was not crossed our limit yet. Let's wait and watch. This is same as the previous situation. If current candle ends in green, then the green line will cross our limit, so that we can place next 1 minute down. I hope you guys can use the ADX oscillator now. Feel free to comment any questions you have.